if you can't be right. Yeah, I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I changed.
Guys, it's Pix Travels here. We have another package. We got our Hemper subscription box here. Let's open it and get into it. I'm going to pause the video real quick, and then we're going to open it up. They also sent the subscription box within the movie box. Alright, let's see what's all in it. So we got cleaning supplies, a clipper lighter, some wick, a pipe, rolling papers, more papers, what looks to be a dabbing mat by Hemper. Make sure to use my code ALLCAPITALSPIGARMY for a discount. I also put in a smelling patch thing. It smells like lemons. Anyways, that's everything in the subscription box.